What's going on, everyone? Big guy, tiny home. Big guy, tiny home. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button, smash that notification button. Smash that notification button. I can't get by if you do not absolutely just pulverize that notification button. Welcome back. Another episode here at Big Guy Tiny Home. Got the boys in Discord right there. They're talking amongst each other. But yeah, Big Guy Tiny Home. We're down here in Alaska. Ketchikan, Alaska. Alaska, guys. Can you believe that? But anyways, we're down here at the Raven's Roost. This place, I'm kind of confused after what the renter told me, or the host, I should say, if it is going to be up. They said I would be their last guest, but we're going to do a review anyways. This place is incredible. I had this window open all night last night. You can just hear the stream. Waking up to the sounds of a river when you live in a desert is just therapeutic. I can't really describe it. This is the little room we're staying in. I have the light unplugged over there, so I'll go and open that up. I'm not making this bed. I'm going to be sleeping in it later tonight. I'm not in the military. Do not care. They had some bad reviews. Some of them justified, some of them very unjustified. People complaining that it feels old. It is old. It's over 100 years old. Get over yourself. So this place, you can see they even specify like, hey, this place is 100 years old. Do not leave a fucking review saying that it feels old, because it is. It is old. If you are wanting a place that doesn't feel like it's cabin on the side of an Alaskan mountain, I don't know why you wouldn't want that. You're going to come to Alaska anyways, and you're going to stay in a freaking hotel, and then don't come here. But rather than that, if you're looking for a cozy place, nice Alaskan decor all over the walls, just like really kind of nice people. They've really kept up with me. They've made sure that I got into the house appropriately. They made sure everything was fine when I got here. You know, you can tell they're trying to really redeem themselves. Give this place a chance. They're not bad people. This place is great. I keep saying it's great because it is. Small little kitchen here, completely fully stocked. They have everything you need. I boiled some water this morning for my ramen. I boiled it for my oatmeal as well. That's a cool little experience. You know, you see the kettles in the cartoons and you're like, I want to do that. Well, you can come all the way out here to Alaska from the southwest just to boil water. Back here, have a little tight area, but you can wash your clothes and stuff here. And I've found that most Airbnbs, this is something that you really don't have. It's kind of surprising how many Airbnbs do not have a washer dryer set, or if they do, they're locked behind a door. They don't want you using them. So it's kind of cool. You got that here. It seems to be like a little workshop over here. Kind of cool little feel to it. There's the propane torches for their dab rigs. Very awesome little place. A little security system. I walked in here last night. Thought I was having a fever dream. Nope, they got a security system back here. It is just pouring rain in Alaska right now. So unfortunately, I will not be taking the camera out there, even though I'm sure some of you want me to. Some of you probably think that would be very funny. You know, funny voice funny, fat guy funny. Destroying my own equipment, also funny. So I'm sure some of you would love that, but we're not going to do that. This place, it is very, very different. You're going to be climbing a lot of stairs, so if you are elderly, you're one of our senior citizen, Big Guy Tiny Home watchers, just know that it's going to be 82 stairs. Not saying you're not capable, just keep that in mind. You're going to be going up 82 stairs every day and going back down them. Very high up, but because of that, look at this view. that you get to walk out to every morning. I like to take it as a challenge. As you can tell, obviously, big guy, tiny home. I'm a big guy. But I'm going to take it as a challenge. I'm going to take these stairs every day. I'm not penguin sliding down the side of a mountain like some of you other lazy people. I have incense in here, you know, guitars. I feel like, you know, if I were to meet this cabin in person, he would tell me about the Grateful Dead tours that he used to go on. You know, how he used to follow the band around the country. I feel like that's what this cabin would personify. Cute little bathroom. You know, they got a little whale right there. Look at that. Little cool little mural on the background. I love the shitter. I love this place. And then if you get really cold, they do have a wood burning stove here to heat up the place. They had some complaints previously in the past with like unwashed sheets. Those are completely warranted. When you're going to an Airbnb, you should not have to worry about if the previous guest was cleaned up afterwards. That should be taken care of. It's completely within your rights to be angry about that. But some of the people just complaining that it feels old, that it feels kind of outdated. That's the appeal of this place. Some of us are coming here specifically for that. Some of us are coming here because we want to stay in an old cabin on the side of an Alaskan mountain. We don't want to stay in a Hilton Inn. I would definitely check it out. Come down here, come see it. Like, there's just little touches of Alaska all over this place. You're going to feel definitely cozy at home. If you want a big TV, if you want like a completely dedicated workspace, even though they do have the desk in there and there is some stuff on there, look for something else. But if you're looking to just kind of have a place to lay your head at night, like it's you, your significant other, this is the place for you. As far as I'm concerned, it checks off all my boxes so far. It was clean when I got here. The place is just beautiful, and Ketchikan, Alaska is just beautiful. It's the salmon capital of the world. There's just water everywhere. Come down, come see Alaska, you guys. It's beautiful down here. Stay at the Raven's Roost. Enjoy yourself. Big guy, tiny home. Really cute socks, though. Really cute socks. You may have heard of big guy, tiny home, but what about big guy, big waterfall? Oh! Oh my God! Thank you, Daddy! Thank you! Oh my God! Big guy, tiny home. Big guy, tiny home. Big guy. Oh, tiny home. Big guy, tiny home. Big guy, tiny home is here. Say his name. Say his name 3 times. Say it. Big Chungus. Big Chungus. Big Chungus. Maybe Big Chungus isn't out in Alaska. Maybe he only affects the mid... He's here. He's here.
Awesome, oh wow, like totally freaked me out. I feel like I could be gunned down any second, hear the sound bang. Awesome, oh wow, like totally freaked me out. I feel like I could be gunned down any second, any town. I just did my taxes, shit. Turns out I made a fucking lie. Turns out the relative to nothing. Honda Civics in my pocket spot. Ay, I just checked my bank account too. Turns out a motherfucker rich. Turns out the relative to nothing. Timex is ticking off my wrist. I take my 20 milligrams each day. Chefing my brain like I'm making flambés. Look both ways when I step on this train. Awesome, oh, now you freaking out, okay. 27 years, well I see 28. Check the exits, you know, just in case. Look like me, but with a piece on his waist. Same new story, just a brand new day. Awesome, oh wow. me out. I feel like I could be gunned down. In a second, hear the sound. Pretty awesome, oh wow. Like totally freak me out. I feel like I could be gunned down. In a second, hear the sound. Telling me you never getting married, but you say you getting engaged. Oh, I get it now, that's rich. Then make sure you follow back my page. Make sure you give me all your change. Couch cushion coins and the lot. Every single dime that you got, I'ma influence your ass till you rock. Take my 20 milligrams each day. Taking time off, and you feeling okay. Jakey about to make a big mistake. Jakey sleeping on the couch, no way. Taking my time, hope it's never too late. Taking my time, but we never discuss this. Lose my damn mind over all my damn beats, cause nobody else can ever do these motherfuckers justice.
Jakey, make a big. Jakey, make a big. Jakey, make a big mistake.
Okay, everybody, we want to hear everybody in the house right now. Boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen.
5, 7, 7, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times out of 10. I got baseball bats swinging at the same time, and they both swinging at both sides of my head. I'll be good, and I'll be new. Yeah, I could be sweet too, you babe, and I'll be cool. I'll be good,
Like totally freak me out.
and I'll be new. I'll be new. Yeah, I could be sweet too, you babe, and I'll be cool. I'll be cool.
We've been waiting for you all summer, and we're so glad you're finally here.
Ketchikan, a small drinking den with a real fishing problem. Yeah, 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 yeah.